Hello and welcome to the Thriving Minds project brought to you by Maximum Edge. Today we're looking at sleep, rest and relaxation and breathing. So it's a 3-part video. The first thing we're going to look at is sleep. So what if I told you there was a pill that you could take that would lower blood pressure, decrease your stress, reduce anxiety, make your skin feel amazing, your hair feel amazing, reduce cardiovascular disease? Would you take it? But what if I told you that you don't need to take a pill? You just need to get constant good night's sleep. So we're going to split sleep into 2 categories: sleep environment and sleep routine. So let's look at environment first. So your sleep environment, the place where you sleep, the bedroom, should be cool, should be dark, and should be tidy. Now I bet you're thinking, why does it need to be tidy? Well, clutter creates stress. Stress is not good if you want to try and get to sleep or get a good night's sleep. So your bedroom should be cool, shouldn't be too hot. So if you need a fan or you need the window open, we have this thing called circadian rhythm, which is our body's natural clock, which helps us sleep, which helps us wake up in the morning. So as we start to go to sleep and our body's circadian rhythm starts to say and signal that this is the time that you need to go to sleep, our body temperature cools, which makes it easier to go to sleep. And then the opposite effect of that is when we start to wake up in the morning, your body temperature will start to rise. So making sure your bedroom is cool is going to help you get a good night's sleep. And your bedroom should be dark. The previous video we did on walking outside in nature, getting direct sunlight first thing in the morning is going to help you wake up. Well, it has the opposite effect when you're trying to go to sleep. We're going to talk about it a little bit more in the routine, the sleep routine aspect. But being on your phone, unnatural bright light before you go to sleep is going to play havoc with the ability to have a good night's sleep and drop off. One of the best things you can do in the morning is make your bed. Your bed's made, your room's tidy, there's no clutter, there's no stress. There's loads of talk on YouTube, in the media at the moment, on podcasts about a good morning routine. But have you ever thought, what is your bedtime routine? One thing that is really going to hamper your ability to get a good night's sleep is being on your phone before you go to bed. Now, I'm not going to tell you do this or do that. The choice is really up to you. But if you're really struggling to get a good night's sleep and you're on your phone or you're watching Netflix or YouTube for an hour before you go to bed, that is really going to be detrimental to the ability to have a good night's sleep. So maybe think about reducing your phone time before you go to bed. You may or may not be drinking a lot of coffee, which in turn means you're putting caffeine in your system, which is going to hamper your ability to get a good night's sleep as well. So reducing your caffeine intake after 3 o'clock in the afternoon is really going to benefit you when it comes to getting a good night's sleep. Now, I would say the biggest change for me personally, in terms of my bedtime routine, is going to bed and waking up at the same time. I get it, it's not going to happen every time. You want to go out, you want to maybe enjoy a few drinks with your friends, that's fine. But wherever possible, go to bed at the same time and wake up at the same time. For me, I generally go to bed at 10:30 and I wake up at 7. Therefore, I'm getting a good long sleep and my body is naturally setting a pattern. So I'm going to bed at the same time and I'm waking up at the same time. Before I go to bed, I'm restricting the use of my phone. I'm not drinking caffeine after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Basic things like that are going to really affect how well you sleep. So why not give a couple of those things a try? Remember, we're looking at sleep environment, what the environment is like where you're trying to get to sleep, and we're looking at sleep routine. They're the main takeaways from this video.